Good evening. Well, afternoon, late afternoon. So just have a final check of the gear before we lob it in the truck. We're going to go off to a place called Salmia Beach today. Well, at least that's what it's sort of listed at on Google Maps. I'm not sure of the actual official name of it. With a view to do sort of a sunset shot today. So we're doing sort of sand, sea and sunset. So finish packing. Get that one off that tripod there. And we'll head out to Salmia Beach. Let's go. Right, there we are then. Slight change of plan. We went out towards Salmia Beach, which by the way is also called Hameen Beach, I figured, which makes sense because it's on the end of Hameen Road. So we went out there, and there's a bloody big sign up saying beach closed, which I assume is for COVID. Now, I don't know if it still is closed, but rather than take a chance, we decided to come out to the sand sculptures instead. This is pretty much on our way home from the beach. So we came out here and we'll have a look around for a composition, see what we can find. The sun is still quite high. The sun has got about another 38 minutes to sunset, I suppose. So I might walk back further over the top of these, which I haven't done before, and see what we can find right up the top. And then we'll come and get the camera gear, get set up, and do us a shot. Catch you in a minute. Okay, I think we've found us a composition. Looking at these two sand sculptures in front of me. The sun is going to set in the general direction where it is now, so I'm hoping if we get down really low, to shoot through the gap between these two. There is some cloud in the sky as well, so hopefully some nice colour in the sky already actually. Well, there is from my sunglasses. A bit like a polarised and filterised, but so there is some nice colour in the sky already. Those wispy clouds up there might stay, well, hopefully they'll stay good. So we'll nip down, get the camera gear, and I think we'll come and set up on these two sand sculptures here. There's some nice sort of lines in them which are nice leading lines and swooping into the image as well. So we'll give that a try. Let's go and get the gear. Okay, so this is a composition we've set on. The sun is just out of shot there. As is my composition, but I'll bring the camera around as the sun gets lower in the sky, otherwise you'll just not see anything. So I'm going to get really low here, probably lower than this at the moment I think. About that height on the tripod. I want to shoot through here, but I want to use these leading lines. I think I'm probably going to have to focus stack as well. Because I want this sharp and then I want the distance sharp as well, so we'll do a couple of test shots and see what we got. Test shot there. I think I'll be focus stacking up this sand sculpture, that sand sculpture, and then through the gap is some more sand sculptures. So I'll focus there for the fourth set. So we just need to wait for the sun to go down now. There's a real nice lot of clouds up here. Let's hope that they stay that way, because they should give off some nice colours, which will finish the image really nicely actually. So as you can see, the sun, as always out here, there's a lot of haze and pollution on the horizon, and we've nearly lost this. The sun is still quite high, but we've nearly lost the sun completely. So I'm going to shoot some shots off now, because I don't think it'll be a couple more minutes and that sun will be gone completely. Clouds are still there, so the sky might light up a little bit yet. Let's see what it does. Okay, here we are. Bit of an impromptu on that. Originally it was going to be sunset on a beach. We ended up sunsets on a sand sculpture instead. I think it turned out quite nice. The colours actually, if you look behind me, the colours, I don't know if you can see above me, but the colours up there are really nice. But this electricity pylon's in the way. That said, I was shooting in that direction. Where is it? There. Those colours are really nice now as well. There's quite a lot of cloud around, to be fair. And bearing in mind we're in August and it's been in the high 40s today, this is a really nice temperature at the moment. Sunset is great. Humidity drops, there's a breeze out here, it's really nice. Don't think you'd want to be here in the next hour or so, mind, when the humidity kicks in. And it's certainly not camping weather anymore. But we're pretty much done on this, I think.